few questions. First about the tractor business, given the rural picture that we have, how's the Oja brand of tractors performing? And given the rural economy situation, maybe you're seeing some green shoots. So what is, how is is there an increased adoption of the small tractors, and what is the sales mix like? Secondly, if you can
share. Don't mind, can we just do one at a time?
Sure.
So let's just take the Oja one. So basically I'm adding Oja and Target because Target was the equivalent product on Swaraj, launched a little earlier than Oja. So if you basically take a market share comparison in two periods, April to August and September to January, which is really in a way pre-launch and post-launch, in the less than 30 horsepower segment, which is where both these brands play, our market share has gone up from 46% to 53%. So they're doing well.
Secondly, can you shed some light on the progress of your EV plans, the Born Electric platform? Given that we are seeing a reduction in EV prices by your competition, can we expect a decline in the XUV400 price? And also, what is the trend in the reduction in lithium-ion battery costs that you are seeing? I'm sure you're looking at those numbers as well, because Goldman Sachs in a recent report said that lithium-ion battery costs will come down by about 40% by I think 2025 as compared to 2022.
Yeah. So the first part of your question was how are we doing on our Born Electric platforms? They're on course, and you know, as we've said, we will have start of production in the later part of the calendar year, and a market launch sometime in early next year, which is calendar 2025. More on that as we come closer to it, but it's doing well, testing well, on track. The current point on pricing, I don't know who's acted first, but you know, we reintroduced our 400 with enhanced features and a good price, so maybe market is reacting to that, and so we don't need to do any correction at this point of time on that product. Yes, lithium-ion battery costs have been going down, but they already have. So when you're comparing 40% from 2022 to 25, I think some chunk of that, maybe 20-25% has already happened. And in commodities, you know, there isn't a point when you can say this trend will continue. It's driven by so many things. So I don't want to speculate on 2025, but clearly there has been a downward trend of lithium-ion batteries. Did I cover all your points?
Yeah. Definitely. My final question is on Classic Legends. During the quarter, you actually invested about 875 crore, if I'm not mistaken. A new motorcycle was also launched in the form of Java 350. So are you looking at a thorough revamp of the Java and ESD business going forward, given the increasing competition in the space?
Yes, we are looking at getting momentum. Both the brands are very strong brands, which is the Java and the ESD, plus we have the BSA brand. So, you know, building that in international markets, and that's why we've gotten an external fund, a partner, a financial partner, and we've, you know, brought in investment. So from all the existing partners, plus there's a new financial partner. We do look at starting to build this business more strongly as we go forward, and these are early days yet, so none of the money that has come in has really been deployed. Some of it will be in capex, some of it will be in strengthening the front end of the business. Anish, you want to add?
I'll just add that first, the 875 crore is a commitment over the next 3 years, and it is a commitment from us as well as our partners in this business, and we are very confident of this business. We feel we've got great products, we've got fantastic brands, and this is a business that is poised for a takeoff.
Any plans for entering the electric space in this space?
Yes, stay tuned on that.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.